Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video, we will learn that if you are also getting the security notice error inside the GCase app, meaning you are seeing a problem like this where it say security notice and below you see an accessibility service detected error, then how to remove it and how to fix it. So let's begin friends. What you need to do first is open the setting app on your phone, that is click on the setting app. After opening the setting app, what you need to do is look for an option called accessibility and connection. If you don't find accessibility and connection, then you may see an option called additional setting. If you still don't see that, then on some phones you will find a system option. So you need to click on the additional settings or system or accessibility and connection option. As soon as you click on it, and if you still can't find it, you also get a search option at the top. You can tap the search bar and search for accessibility. There we will find the accessibility option. Simply click on the this accessibility option. After that friend, if you scroll down, some people will see a downloaded apps option and some people will directly see many apps listed. Among those apps, many may show on as you can see. Mine is off, but in your case it may be on. So what you need to do is turn it off. If it is on, simply switch to off as soon as you turn off the apps in the accessibility setting, like another launcher, VPN, etc. And if developer setting is enabled on your phone, turn that off as well, then your problem will be solved. If you like the video, please like it and be sure to subscribe to the channel.